Viewers and subscribers, you don't know, bless up on yourself. Have a positive day, energetic. Now, we are speak about the Jamaican side of TikTok and what been taking place right now, people. It's a lot of feud going down. Surprise a lot of people. Well, I'm gonna let y'all know right now. Around here, sir, not no surprising to me. Cause me see a lot of things play out and we see how people is. But what we are speak about, Hauto call out World Dawg. If you not keep it real with him friend them. And people, this about to be crazy. So what I wanna do, smash the subscribe, turn the notification on, share the content, and know say over here. Now normal. Start now.
With the gift of them and with some gift are Connecticut where a Raja shooter when name Chin Min Min, we will Chin Min situation did happen. Alright, watch it now. The morning me wake up, hear same one, I hear link for the Airbnb. If you come talk, I feel link for Airbnb, I feel I know him dog will make pay dog and turn at the Airbnb. The dog said, the dog called me morning. The cussing happened last night, you know. And the dog would have called me this morning. So the cussing happened last night. Swiss come back and clear up his name and tell him what happened with Chin Min Min. If you remember good. Swiss come and after I put Swiss in a battle hole, you know. Swiss come and cock and come clear up his name. The morning, he called me. Dawg, me got this Swiss leader, dog. Me got this, hey, I thought me got this Swiss leader. Me say, here, watch out now, bro. Swiss probably not know what you are talking about right now. And me no know what you and the dog have a ray. But call the man half a year before you go up on the internet. That's all it takes. When me look like start to post the class, I said to myself, no man. Then support me and you did fall out and Swiss tell us I say you're not ready. And I come me start say, alright, you know what? Me I hold my one, you know. Guys, me and here and I deal before him and Swiss fall out. From way before him and Swiss fall out, me lock off this man. And me say, yo, you know what, me I hold my one. If not far enough it talk or if not far enough it look back in on the brain and I notice. I know him avoid me, all I hear my talk, probably that's why it's about him, sir.
Why this not look good? So, we see our Khago forward on a bonfire for World Dawg. How are you going? Yo, Khago said, World Dawg no loyalty in bridging them. No people, right? We see, when you know say, the people them must say World Dawg for forward out of the closet. Now, YouTube, I wanna get that video there. She be a say a time for World Dawg up out of the closet. What's going on? She bad say, World Dawg, if you come out of the closet, people wanna thoughts on that. That not good again. So we see Khago, a burn out World Dawg, wicked. Khago say, who wanna know say World Dawg? And Switzerland a fish. Brother, boy, the man said the whole America knows say World Dawg and Switzerland a fish. This is words of Khago. So, he must say basically what Khago say. A be a fish bait them a take over there and things like that. So what are the bait on TikTok? So basically what I must say is, they have some gift over there where very expensive. some lion and some whales. And the man them fish out for these gifts. The things them where the man them a do to get these gifts. The man them a say, yo, and the normal settings. And this them friends and no loyalty in it. So people drop on a comment in the comment section and think. Make me know wanna think if a real dog a go on with him should have stopped where him a do and retrack him step. As well as, is this true, people? Is it a fact that Royal Dawg and Swisley fish out the thing and them take the TikTok thing to a World Cup Khago? Say the man them gone with it with a beer balls and them something the people, words of Khago, you know. The people, what you try to tell me, say? A fish tack over there. Oh, I Khago say right now, people, Royal Dawg, aka Royal Girl, as we Khago say, need to explain himself. So, what Khago say is, the man never keep a fish fry or a body party or something them a go on with. No, can't make it up. Cause I just hear Khago say, he might keep the bowcat party. So I don't know what go on. So, a bowcat a cost a fish. I don't know people, we don't know what go on cause Khago say, him, this is Khago words, he must start it and our next artist. Such man supposed to unite. So we don't know what go on, people. So drop on the comment. TikTok is a weird thing still, guys. Notice I really see this on the yardie side still. People them have to diss them on another wicked. In order. If I saw it go, where a person have to tear down the next person for in order for you. Send your love and respect. Why that's yo, enough people do some really interesting things and not get no love. None at all, you know. We really love the help. And all you have to do, if you want to make some money on TikTok. Two things. You either go over there and fish out yourself, or just start some problem. Because problem sell over there. And basically that's what them a tell. You understand? So, if you're not really depend the problematic thing, you know, you're never get noticed over there. Them people are gone viral. Because people strive off of them type of activity there, you understand? And that the people them interest gone in. So when you're gone out there and you say you want to do something positive and you think you're going to go viral, 4 views. Especially if you're going to put it on the time and say something positive. Nobody not have time for that. Them brain not process that. You understand? Them want to know who are this, who, and anything bad you have to say about somebody. You see, you can't say anything, you know. But if you want, if you go viral and you want to make it as a person on social media, you have to clone yourself and willing to clone other people as well. You understand? So it's like a circus to clone. You have to clone yourself. So if I the love of the money make people a clone themselves right now, Ringling Brothers. Nah, no problem if you get some clone for you summer. Serious. Smash a like, subscribe, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Man, I'm going to be a fucker road boy. So now you know, say, in order for you to make it, you have to do a couple of things right now. Let me tell you this. Prepare for either go to the extreme of clowning yourself, cause them love clown. Trust me. You want to be the biggest at anything. Just give them something to keep your name in the social media space, right? The clownist thing, where every time them see a picture, anything, them can't wait for hear what. You think say, enough time you see some people just go viral and everybody watch them. You think say, cause them a do something positive or nothing like that. No, cause them a make a fool of themselves. People likes it when them can laugh and put up the emoji them and say, Jesus Christ, I want idiot this and that them like, them love idiot, them like fool. So, know that. Either you bring down somebody, or try to make a fool of the next person, or make a complete idiot of yourself, and then you get accepted. Check it out. Tell me if I tell lie. People expect to see you clown yourself at all times for them entertainment purpose. You understand? Them accept clown and fight out the people who really have some substance. You know? That's a sad thing. Listeners, I don't know what they think there. Now, this is interesting. So the plane and fly guy yard here. And we do much people, over 200 people, right? Alright, amazing. So this is what I want to know. Did they do a swap, as in them say people left and we don't know who left? What if them do a swap with at least 100 people and 100 of them stay and 100 they lift up? Oh no, people who are gone. Because impossible we have a stowaway. Anybody missing? You hear about anybody missing so far? Cause with such a size plane, ain't no telling, A man screech yarn on the plane, When you look at 2,000 people lift up and forward. Where them gone? Dubai? Them a live the life. That's their life. You can't fly around the world on a chartered plane and just go and chill. Basically, that's where them are there. Land somewhere on an island. You can get a fresh cut jelly. Walk around for treats. 5-star meal. Ackee and saltfish for breakfast. Them get the prestige treatment. Ackee and saltfish, fried plantain and fried dumpling. Them no one left. Them no one left. So, you know see it. Big up your hospitality. You know see it. Say yet still. No matter what them have to say, we still under the worst. And then, when you say that now, you get touchy, that situation they get touchy. Cause, see, what happened over there now with the Asians them, and them get rejected. Words are that them couldn't even left the sand on the beach. Them a say no asphalt, no grass, no soil, sand. Can't left the beach. So me I say wow, them have to go back on the paddle boat and go back where them a come from. Me I say that rough. Not even lunch money, nothing. So, I don't know. In such man I say, boy, a skin color and hear them like Rasta, so, I don't know. What are your thoughts, people? Drop it in the comment section, what do you think? Was such man right when such man say, is them love the skin color and the pretty hair and thing? I don't know. This is very interesting. Now, things we have to consider. Will this give any other people more ideas like this? We just pull up in our airspace and freely land and be accommodated and safely return, because if this is a practice it could also become perfect.